How to add more friends to Snapchat shortcuts. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add more friends to Snapchat shortcuts, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to add more friends to Snapchat shortcut, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then open up Snapchat app, take a normal snap, and then just tap the next option here. Normally, if you wanted to send this to your shortcuts, you would need to select them over here, and then you can just select them all and then just tap this little button over here to send this snaps to these shortcuts. But let's say you have a shortcut, you want to basically go ahead and then add more people to a shortcut. For that, tap the plus icon that you can find here, select a shortcut from where you want to add more friends. Once you select a shortcut from where you want to add more friends, you can just go ahead and now select a list of people and then tap the save option from the bottom, and more people will get added to that shortcut. Now if you want, you can just come back, select that shortcut, and then simply send all these people your new snap. This way you'll be able to add more friends to Snapchat shortcut. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.